Cause the spotlight ain't nothing without you, girl. And the dance floor ain't nothing without you, girl. You a showstopper.
Okay, hey, where you wanna go tonight? No, she not a prostitute, but if she was, I'd have to pay. Say, hey, you can stay. I said keep up.
I'm not really happy with the win kasi medyo nag-relax kami. We tend to relax pag we're up. So I told the girls na we have to keep our intensity from start to finish. Kasi preparing for Thailand, hindi kami pwede ganito yung situation namin. So I hope makorek namin yun yung situation na kaya. Actually, sabi ko, before we leave pa rin sa Manila, sabi ko, I believe in this team. Sabi ko, our desire is to get the first goal in women's basketball. So, until now, yun pa rin yung, status ko na win the first goal.
In my mansion with no panties, wanna get down. 3 girls, Gucci trip.
Sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas, let's keep supporting and praying for the Discovery Pearls women's basketball team. Sana po, tulungan niyo po kami. Last 2 games na namin, pagdasal po kami na makuha namin yung medal.